Ifeanyi, son of singer Davido and Chioma, has been confirmed by the Lagos State Police Command on Tuesday morning. It was gathered that the first son of the artist died on Monday at his father's residence in the Banana Island area of Lagos State. Police Public Relations Officer in the state, Benjamin Hundeyin, said that Ifeanyi drowned on Monday. When asked whether Ifeanyi is dead, the police spokesman said, "Yes, he is. He drowned." No arrest yet, but domestic staff have been brought in for questioning, Hundeyin added. Meanwhile, tributes have been pouring in from celebrities and fans of the singer.